Guys, how's CK here today? And today we are gonna be cleaning out the engine bay on the Civic Coupe. Here we are. Engine bay's not dirty, just a little bit here and there, but overall everything looks clean. We're just gonna wipe down the corners, intake, paint the valve cover black. I have my vacuum here. We're gonna do a blowout. It has a blowout, so we're gonna blow everything out. So we're going to use purple power and just a towel with a soft brush. As you can see, it's not rough like metal or nothing that you don't need to scrape it up. Just something soft just to get it off. But yeah, that's what we're going to do. We're just going to let it suds up, and then from there we'll wipe it down with a brush and then wipe it down with a towel. Simple and easy. Just like a 3-step. To all sides, corners, side. We're gonna try to get the back. It's a little hard, but we're gonna try our best to do it. It is the next day. I have a soapy water bucket right here. Look at the toes, but we got a soapy water bucket, and I did clean out top trim, edges, subframe bar. We try to get into this as much as we can. That is so much better compared to this side. I haven't done this side yet, but look at that side. Yeah, compared to this side. Yeah, so I don't have a detail brush. I left it at my buddy's house. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna get a wet rag. We're gonna wet it in a soapy bucket, and then we're just gonna wipe it down because it turns out I'm putting more smudges into it with the brush. So I'm gonna get a clean microfiber towel, and then we're gonna wipe this thing down. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna dip this in the bucket, suds it up, soak it down. Check that out, you guys. Only for like 2-3 passes, we got that much out. We're gonna hit the top. We're gonna try our best to get that top one. Unfortunately, we won't be able to get the back because of the headers. So if I was to do that, I have to take off the headers. But look at that. It's way different. The best to get back there. I can't get this spot right here because too much wiring to get into this spot right here. Try my best, but we did get this top part there from here, bottom down, from here halfway, and then from here I can't reach my hand too much to the back no more. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah. But overall, the tranny from the top looks good. If you look from the top, perfect. We got the sides done, tranny, and we get the firewall. Okay, let's pour it out. Yeah, that is dirty. Take out the valve cover and we're gonna spray it wrinkle black, which we're gonna have to run down to our valve cover. Take out your spark plugs, make sure you know the orders. You know, 110 here, 110 here, 110 here, 110 here. And it should just come right off. So why I recommend this is because you're gonna take one of your masking paper right here, mask it out. Wrap it. Yeah. And right cylinder 1. There we go. And from there you go 2, 3, 4. Just so you guys don't get mixed up. And it keeps you guys organized on which goes into which holes. black caliber at home. So I came for a wrinkle black, and there is none. So what a waste of time. Resting at the sun so I can hit it. So we did like 3 coats here. We're about to hit it with our last coat. We did 4 coats in total. Now all you do is just peel these off, and look at that. Just gonna peel those napkins. Peel. Peel. Look at that. I'm gonna give you guys a little montage, little cinematic right here of the before and after. So hope you guys enjoyed this little video I did. It's kind of getting hot right now, so we're just gonna end it up and wrap it up here, do a little cinematic and call it. So if you guys enjoyed the video, like and subscribe, and if you guys want more content, let me know.